Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to talk about iceflex.com. So there are basically three programmers who have made such amazing website, and the pages have been running so far error free. There are two domains right now, iceflex.com and iceflex.ru. There are also four different mobile apps available. Prioritized at the moment are two, timeline app and the messenger app. So the communication of the user is secure because sites are running on quite big server. The you can count it as the same as anonymous.org. I think you understand what I mean. So the network is free, user data is not shared with third parties, and when you delete the account all the data is deleted, so don't worry. So Icewex offer an alternative to Facebook without abusing your data. Important is Icewex has to become known with this corner point and it needs user right now. Icewex is financed by various membership, Star, Hot, Ultima, VIP. They start from €1 a month to 89 yearly. The best thing is money back is always guaranteed in here. So Icewex.com covers English, German, and French with the web and the application. And Icewex.ru covers English, Arabic, Portuguese, Russian, and Turkish language. Both are not censored. Of course, there is a filter integrated about racism, ladies, children, violence, etc. Something like that we don't support. So important. There is also wallet function. I can send and receive money anonymously. So if you want to check, let me show you. Dot wallet. So I can the translator is working pretty fine. So I can add money right now in here. Like suppose I want to add €10, I can just continue and pay with PayPal or my credit card. Everything is fully secured. I can run ads, I can run campaign. In fact, I can send money to other user as well. One of the amazing feature is, let me show you. So this is my profile. Suppose if I go to edit and I can see I can apply for verification. So if you get your, yep, I'll be verified soon. So if you get a verified profile in here, it is free verification. So if you get, like suppose someone searches you on Google that Dhron Joshi, so your profile should come first because the SEO of the icewex.com has done pretty good. So your profile will come on top, your images will come in show here. So that will be a amazing option for everyone. You can also invite people. So suppose if I have created a link and I have generated a link, and if I invite someone and somebody registers, then I get some affiliate credit as well. So a single person creates a account in this, then I'll get €0.25 for every user that subscribe and join our pro plans. So you can earn as well in here. More features are there. There are so many features. There are social link, invitation link, design. You can cover picture. You can edit your profile picture. You can block people. You can talk in here as well. So I just added him yesterday. We can talk with each other. The data is fully secured and encrypted. You can download your information. You can delete your account as well. The privacy, they prioritize the privacy on top. So if you delete your account, then all your data will be deleted. Nobody will sell your data. Everything is secured, and you can check the look is amazing. You can see your profile. The profile is far more better than Facebook profile. Groups, I like it, friends, photos and videos. In fact, you can create your post as well. Like suppose you can create color and you can write something and create amazing post. You can go live as well. There are so many features. Like you can see my profile. Like see, I have added couple of pictures yesterday. This is timeline view in grid, and you can upload audio. You can what you are feeling, what you are listening, what where you are traveling. Everything is here. So this is amazing social media, like the upcoming best social media in the internet. So Icewex is also being made for other countries and languages. Icewex.ru is online and it includes the whole program of icewex.com. we still need to get sites ready for India, Pakistan, China, and it should be accessible to all. Icewex is a peaceful project. The trademark rights are registered. Now Icewex needs popularity and user. So I like it, and if you also like it, then just spread through the internet on social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, anywhere. You can create your profile. You can go to edit function. You can make money as well. Suppose you're gonna post this link of your profile in your social media shoutouts, then you definitely gonna earn something from it. So yeah, and you can also withdraw it from PayPal. Suppose you wanna send money to someone, you can just add money in here, send it to someone, then the next person can withdraw it on his PayPal or bank account, whatever is fine. Yeah. So thank you for watching.